welcome to the channel, and this is your health advisor. In this channel, I regularly upload health related videos to keep you guys healthy. Brushing and flossing are staples in a good dental routine. However, there are other things you can do to help maintain healthy teeth and gums, which will benefit your overall well-being. 10 tips for healthy teeth and gums. Step 1. Brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time. Keeping your teeth clean and healthy begins with regular maintenance. Brushing for 2 minutes at a time twice a day, known as 2x2 rule, will help to keep plaque at bay. Patients with children should introduce this concept early and find ways to make it fun. You can play a song while they are brushing or use a timer to know as when 2 full minutes have passed. To make it easier to clean every tooth, try to spend 30 seconds on each quadrant of your mouth. Upper right side, upper left side, lower right side, lower left side. Using the right techniques are important to ensure that teeth are being cleaned properly and you aren't damaging the soft tissue around them. Using small circular motion, angle the head of the brush towards the gums. Be sure to clean all surfaces as well as along the gum line, both of fronts and backs of your teeth. Some patients find using an electric toothbrush help as well. Step 2. Floss daily. It's recommended to floss every night before brushing to remove anything your toothbrush is unable to dislodge. Many patients admit to skipping this step, but it's an important part of healthy routine. If you only brush and decide you don't need to floss, small particles of food and other deposits that are missed by your toothbrush can eventually develop into decay. To avoid this, make sure you take 2 minutes a day to add flossing to your routine. When you first start flossing, it may cause sensitive gums to hurt. This is natural and will stop once you have been flossing for a couple days. When flossing, make sure slide it up and down along the whole tooth. Don't ignore tight spaces. This is one of the most important places to floss as your toothbrush can reach these areas. Step 3. Replace your toothbrush at the signs of wear. As a general rule, changing it about every 3 to 6 months should keep it in shape. Clean your teeth properly. Damaged or frayed toothbrushes can clean your surface of your teeth correctly and can cause damage your gums. Replacing your toothbrush often also allows you to help keep it clean. Always rinse your toothbrush well and store it so it can dry. Remember to replace your toothbrush if you have been sick to prevent bacteria from being reintroduced into your mouth. Step 4. Visit your dentist every 6 months. Your dentist will be able to prevent issues before they start, or at least to catch them early. If you have regular dental appointments, regular visits also allow your teeth to get a thorough professional cleaning twice a year, removing any buildup of plaque and tartar, which helps to keep your teeth and gums healthy. Step 5. Maintain a healthy diet. Avoiding sweet and foods such as pops, sports drinks, and candy, as well as including foods high in calcium, will help to support strong and healthy teeth. As a side benefit, your body will thank to you too. Some foods will help to strengthen your teeth include leafy greens, almonds, yogurt, and cheese. Speak to your dentist for recommendations of fruits that will help keep your teeth strong for years to come. Step 6. Use dental hygiene products. Brushing and flossing are key to preventive dental health, but you can help keep your teeth in top condition by incorporating supplemental aids into your routine as well. Examples of these products include mouthwash, oral irrigators, interdental cleaners, and tongue cleaners. These aids can help support good oral health and should be used in conjunction with, not instead of, regular brushing and flossing. Step 7. Keep hydrated throughout the day. Sufficient hydration is not only good for your overall health, but being hydrated also helps maintain a healthy saliva flow. Saliva aids in dental health by moving food particles through your mouth, preventing most of them from lodging in your teeth where bacteria can grow. It also helps to keep your mouth comfortable and moist. Step 8. Don't smoke. Smoking causes superficial concerns such as tooth staining as well as severe health issues like gum, periodontal disease, which can lead to tooth loss, and oral cancer, among other issues. One of the best things you could do for your oral and overall health is quit smoking immediately. Step 9. Consider dental sealants. Dental sealants fills the depression and grooves of your molars and premolars, helping to protect your teeth from cavities and plaque. Most people can benefit from sealants, but children and teens are good candidates as they often don't brush as well as adults, leading to a higher rate of cavities. Step 10. Regularly examine the inside of your mouth at home. While regularly checkups with your dentist is an excellent preventive measure, issues can develop in months between visits. To prevent major concerns, you should do a quick scan of the inside of your mouth as part of your daily routine. Check your teeth and gums for anything that has changed or seems unusual. Make sure you share this information with your dentist at your next appointment or call your dentist office if you discover anything concerning. Regular self-exam are beneficial to maintaining your health.